Hey guys, here's a little video to kind of help you understand what I'm expecting from the heart rate lab report. You'll find this posted. It says lab report help along with this video. This is the rubric of what I'm expecting to see. Your lab report will be made in Google Docs. Okay, so this will be like a formal lab report. The CER you already did, and you've already seen information about that. Online students, if you haven't done your CER, you still need to turn that in. For the actual lab report, the introduction, okay, I expect this to be a short paragraph. It should have the purpose of your lab. It might even tell why you decided to do that lab. What question is it asking? And then at the end of that, I want your hypothesis. And this should be an if-then statement. So if I'm in pain, then my heart rate will go up. If I breathe less, then my heart rate will go down. Whatever your specific lab was testing, okay? The next part is your materials and supplies. This can be a list, okay? That would be fine. You can do your materials and your procedure in a list. Your procedure should be just, if I follow your procedure, can I do exactly the same experiment? That's what I'm looking for. So include details. You know, what music did you have people here listen to, or whatever your experiment was. Make sure you include details. The next part is the results. Here you'll have your data table and your graph. I've already posted a video of how to make the graph, and so you can go back and watch that if you haven't already. You do need a graph in here. It needs to be in, don't just put a link. I want the actual graph and the actual data table included here, okay? The last part is conclusion. On your conclusion, this is the big part. This should be a big paragraph or maybe even 2 paragraphs. This is where you're explaining what happened, why you think it happened. You might even look up things from other sites of why this would happen with heart rate. This is where you talk about how you would improve it if you were to do it again. What errors did you have this time? Now that you know, what could you do to even add to this same experiment? That should all go into your conclusion, okay? And there's a few points. Just make sure you use spell check. Check your sentences. Are you capitalizing? Are you using punctuation? Okay. Overall, this is worth 90 points. So this is a really big grade. If you have any questions as you go, just email me. This is due Friday. So we need to make sure that we're doing a good job, and let's get some big points here. So any questions, just give me an email.